All right, hey Fast Cap, to build the hole punch kit, you want to come into aisle 6, and in the 4th cell down, you're going to find this build station. The first thing you need to do is unfold this table, get the leg down, make sure it's solid, and then you're going to need your orange bin. The orange bin goes right here, and then you'll get your boxes from over on the right here, and you want to lay out the number of boxes you need in a stack right here. Also, you're going to need your labels out of here. The labels are designated by color of dots. So for the regular hole punch kit, you want everything with the yellow dots. When you put your labels up, you want to put these ones to the left here, these ones to the right here, and then over here you have your kit top and the kit inside instructions. Also, speed tape will be here. If you need more speed tape, you get it down below on this pallet right here, and there's a water spider comb on there, so it should never run out. Also, more screws are down below to the right here. If you need more flush mount drill bits, they come from this pallet down on the left. And if you need more hole punch tools, they come from behind you on the left right here. And then if you need more of the kit boxes, you're going to have to go into aisle 5 and grab them from that pallet directly through in front of you. Okay, so to do a build, first thing you want to do is box. For the box, the 2 side stickers, one's upside down, one is not. The one closer to you goes right side up, and the one further from you goes upside down. It should match the words on the box, and that way you don't have to flip your labels. And then the one big label goes in the center of the box. Also note how we're covering the lines just barely. They show you where it goes, but you don't want to see the lines around the label. Then to build your box, you want to pick it up, and you do 2 tabs, and do your flap in, and then you're going to repeat with the other side. Grab out your kit, and if you need more blue bins or blue cases, they're on the pallet just to your right here. So then first do your kit top sticker. That goes right in the cutout right there. Then to open it up, there's 2 little tabs, so you can push down on those. That'll save your fingers. Then you pop the case open, and you're going to put on your instruction sticker. The instruction sticker covers one of these little cutouts, so don't push down in the hole and tear it, and try to keep it fairly straight. Once you do that, you can put your speed tape in. There's a blue thing on the counter to your left, so if you slam the speed tape down on that, it'll tear the wrapper and make it very easy to take off. And then you put your speed tape in the cutout there, get your tool out. There's a knife right in front of you. Cut the tool, pull the tool out, and then when you put it in, it has to go the right way, so that means that this little fin piece is on the top. Also, if you accidentally squeeze it, it'll pop open, but if it does do that, just push down on the bottom here until it's the right size and pop it in, and it'll stay just right. Also in the tool, you're going to have 2 dies and a bushing, so you have to tear that bag open, pull those out. The 2 dies go in the big cutouts, it doesn't matter which goes in which, and then the bushing is going to go in the 3rd cutout right there. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is put your magnet in. Your magnet should be in a stack right there. You're going to grab one. You're going to grab one of your screws from right there, put the screw in the cutout side of the magnet, and put the screw in first. Then use your little screw gun, and it goes on the solid right there between the handles. Don't over tighten it because you're just screwing into a thin piece of plastic. Next thing you want is your flush mount drill bit. Open the case up and dump everything out of it. And you should have your trash can right below you like Celeste does here, so you don't have motion to throw everything away as you pull everything out of there. The actual flush mount goes right there. It goes with the drill bit pointed to the right. You're going to open your accessory bag, dump everything out of the accessory bag, and the little thumb screw pushes down in a hole right by the flush mount there. And then you have an Allen key that snaps in under the speed tape. That's the bigger Allen key. And then the smaller Allen key and your 2 set screws go on the magnet. If you come to a kit that doesn't have all that stuff in there, there's replacement pieces up above you. Look at the labels on the POPs and you'll find the things you need. Last thing is you want to pop your drill bits in. They go in the top and they snap into place there. Then the last thing you need to do is get your screws in there. The screws are labeled how many, so it's 2 of the 2-inch metal and then 4 of each of the next screws. Also, when you're building, make sure that you've pulled this entire rolling cart forward so you're not reaching too far for your screws. The screws all go right in the bottom in this big cutout. You want to be sure you do them last, otherwise when you're popping the drill bits in, you can send the screws flying. Once you got that done, you can close your case up.
Let's double check it too.
It's good to double check the case against the sample up above you, make sure it looks the same. Drop the case into the box, and close it up. Make sure that you connect all the flaps and fold nicely, and then it goes in your orange bin. How you pack the orange bin is very important. You want 2 flat on the bottom first, and then the next 6 are going to stand up vertically, and they should all go the same way so that it looks nice. And that is your process for a hole punch kit.